Household electric mopping machine with high-temperature steam cleaning. Deep sanitization. Corded steam mop, safe on all floors, kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, living room. Experience a new level of cleanliness with this high-temperature steam floor cleaner, designed for effortless and chemical-free mopping across your home. Whether you're deep cleaning the kitchen, sanitizing the bathroom, or freshening up your living room, this electric steam mop makes floor care fast, powerful, and hygienic. Equipped with high-heat steam, an ergonomic handle, and an ultra-lightweight body, this floor wiper eliminates 99.9% of bacteria and germs without using harsh chemicals, making it ideal for homes with kids or pets. Key features: high-temperature steam cleaning, up to 120 degrees Celsius, 248 degrees Fahrenheit. Instantly breaks down grease, grime, and stubborn dirt. Effectively kills bacteria, viruses, and allergens. Ideal for deep cleaning tile, hardwood, vinyl, and laminate floors. Chemical-free and safe for pets and kids. No need for bleach or detergents. Just add water to sanitize and deodorize surfaces naturally. A perfect choice for eco-conscious households. Fast heat up and continuous steam. Ready to use in just 15 to 30 seconds. Continuous hot steam for up to 20 to 30 minutes of deep cleaning. Refill and reuse easily with a detachable water tank. Multi-surface compatible. Perfect for kitchen grease, bathroom tiles, bedroom dust, and living room spills. Safe on sealed hardwood, ceramic tile, linoleum, marble, and more. Swivel head and lightweight body. 180 degrees swivel mop head glides easily under furniture and into corners. Compact and lightweight, easy to maneuver and store. Designed for daily or deep cleaning routines. Washable mop pads included. Comes with reusable microfiber mop pads. Machine washable for long-term use and zero waste. What's included? 1x electric steam mop. 1x water tank, removable. 2 to 3 reusable microfiber mop pads. 1 measuring cup. 1 user manual. Technical specifications. Feature details. Power supply corded electric. Steam temperature up to 120 degrees Celsius, 248 degrees Fahrenheit. Heat up time 15 to 30 seconds. Water tank capacity varies, typically 300 to 500 milliliters, runtime 20 to 30 minutes, continuous steam. Suitable floor types: tile, hardwood, laminate, marble, vinyl. Swivel head yes, 180 degrees rotation, weight lightweight and portable. Perfect for cleaning greasy kitchen floors, deep sanitizing bathroom tiles, safe chemical-free cleaning around children and pets, removing stains and dust from high traffic areas, daily mopping or weekend deep cleaning routines.